Did you know that in 1975, an entire city of 2 million people was forced to walk to their deaths at gunpoint? When Pol Pot's Khmer Rouge took over Cambodia, they didn't just conquer the capital, they emptied it completely. Every single person in Phnom Penh was marched into the countryside to build what they called an agrarian paradise. But this was no relocation. This was systematic murder disguised as revolution. If you wore glasses, you were shot immediately. Intellectuals, they said, doctors, teachers, anyone who spoke a foreign language, executed on the spot. Children were turned into killers, trained to murder their own parents for crimes like crying over dead relatives or eating wild fruit without permission. Yes, eating fruit could get you killed for private enterprise. Over 4 years, 2 million Cambodians died in what became known as the Killing Fields. When it finally ended in 1979, mass graves were discovered containing over 20,000 skulls. An entire nation had been turned into a graveyard by its own leaders.